Start now.
Am I supposed to introduce this product? The beautiful iMation CD right here. It's very shiny, capricious. No. So, test subject number 1. Into the microwave, provided by my mother. Did you get a nice up-close shot there? Okay. Fantastic. Now, I don't know the scientific properties behind this. You wanna explain those?
It explodes.
All right. Fantastic. In 3, 2, 1. Wait for it.
Actually, that's all it does. Just sparkles.
Dang, chicken's done.
Cool. That is beautiful.
I think we should stick that on our wall.
Any last thoughts, guys?
Stick the Dr. Pepper can with it.
It's kind of hot.
Yeah. One
well,
final
in the
note.
microwave.
Don't touch the CD.
Oh,
Wait
don't
for it
breathe
to cool
in
down.
Okay.
Is this going to cause cancer?